Lamborghini Dallas proudly presents this 2013 Ferrari California hardtop convertible. Equipped with a 4.3-liter, 483 horsepower V8 engine and a 7-speed F1 automatic with sport shift transmission and rear-wheel drive. This car is finished in a beautiful Rosso Corsa exterior color and tan leather interior with red contrast stitching throughout. This California is in excellent condition and comes well appointed, including Daytona seats, navigation, Homelink system, Bluetooth, power adjust and heated seats, memory driver's seat, horse stitched on headrest, Scuderia shields, parking sensors front and rear, 19-inch silver painted 5-spoke wheels, red calipers, and much more.